It's the last episode before the year ends. And what a befitting way to end the year with some questions. And in today's episode of How To, I want to ask myself and have you ask yourselves on reviewing the year gone by. So, welcome to today's episode of How to review the year gone by. For me, I ask myself these questions in basically three categories: professional, interpersonal, and personal. And I suggest you do the same. In the professional category, I ask myself, how have I done? And I don't only mean it in terms of revenue generation. How have I done professionally with my clients? Have my clients got more success because of the work that I do? Have I changed my methods? Have I learned something new? Have I been able to grow professionally as an individual, take on some other aspects of my professional life and spread it across different genres? These are some questions which will help me review the year so that going forward to 2025, I know my gaps. I think it's very important for us to review the things that went right so that we can continue doing the same, but also the things that went wrong so that we can course correct. Otherwise, we remain stagnated and bring ourselves the same results. In my interpersonal realm, I ask, how were my relationships with the people that matter? Did I create any memories? What about my own conduct and behavior? Was I intolerant, mean, vicious, unkind? Or did I by and large have a good year getting along with the people that meant something to me? What were some relationships of mine which were inconsequential, draining, and causing me needless upsetness? How have I been able to navigate that? Have I eliminated the people that really don't bring any joy or value to my life? Have I minimized contact with unnecessary gossip and unnecessary strife? These are some questions also that you need to ask so that in 2025, you either continue to be the kind, gentle, considerate, compassionate you, or change course if you feel that some of your own conduct needs a little bit of tweak. And of course, you continue to invest in meaningful relationships so that 2025 brings fulfillment in interpersonal relations and in the community that you inhabit. In my personal life, I ask, am I fitter? Am I healthier? Have I been able to keep my blood work in check? Am I stronger in terms of my health? How has my health shaped up for 2024? What did I unfortunately do which caused me unnecessary and needless trouble? What can I change so that if there have been some things that I've not done well, and what is it that I can do so that I can keep 2025 being a healthier, fitter, and stronger me? This, I believe, reviewing will help us to either build on what already exists and takes us forward, or course correct to do and make the adjustments that are required of us. Wishing all of you a wonderful 2025. Till next year, it's goodbye and thank you from the Varkha Chulani channel.